Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining. Uh, my name is Madhav. So I have around 12 years of experience of IT, and for the last 9 years, I've been working on ServiceNow. Okay, I worked as a ServiceNow admin, implementation specialist, and developer. Now I'm working as a team lead for 10 to 15 people for one of the big four companies. Okay, so I have worked on multiple modules on this ServiceNow platform. Along with my job, I've trained around a lot of people, bunch of people around the last 4 years. Okay, helping many students and professionals get placed in top MNC companies. Okay, let's talk about ServiceNow. What is ServiceNow? Okay, so ServiceNow is a cloud-based workflow automation platform. So it is a 100% cloud-based platform. So no need to install any software on the browser. So you just need to browse and use a URL just like Google or Gmail. Okay. So ServiceNow provides enterprise applications required by the organization such as IT support, HR onboarding, customer support, operation management, etc. Every organization needs multiple applications. Okay. Instead of buying multiple tools that, let's suppose we have a service desk tool and we have HRSD tool that we have a HR services so that whenever or in an organization uh, employees joins, right? So they need to take care of the onboarding and offboarding and induction, induction, and also maintain the data of the resources. So they have the organization will use multiple tools to maintain this kind of data during onboarding and also to support IT based on the issue. They will also use other tools and platform. But ServiceNow provides everything on a single platform. It will provide IT support. It will provide HR onboarding. It will provide customer support. It will provide operations. It will provide governance. It provides also customer service management. These these many models provided by ServiceNow without going to buy different multiple applications or platforms as per the industry standard. So we have. Let me just share my screen before to that. I just yeah. Just let me know once you're able to see my screen.
Yes, mother, we can see.
Okay,
You're
thank
able
you. Yeah, I just shared it, but I mean I just upload the file, but I did not shade it properly. So yes, yeah. So we were talking about the introduction of ServiceNow. So what is ServiceNow? Okay, and let's talk about the what all we have in ServiceNow. Okay, and ServiceNow, it's a yeah. So benefits of ServiceNow, as I told you that. So we can use ServiceNow can be utilized by IT support team and also HR team and operation team and also customer service team. So without depending on multiple tools in an organization, so they can utilize ServiceNow. Who uses ServiceNow? As I told you that. So service desk, IT service desk agent. Let's suppose I have an issue. I would directly go to the service desk team and I just asked them to raise an issue regarding, like, let's suppose my laptop is not working. All of a sudden, like, I'm not able to open my laptop, and I just try to switch on that on button. My laptop is not working. So I can directly go to the IT agent for this issue. Instead of going that, you can just use ServiceNow platform and just you can raise a ticket. It could be incident, or it could be service request. And also the vendors who are using this ServiceNow platform, they can also utilize this issues. Based on that, whatever the issue they are facing, they could be facing this router issue, or maybe the printer issue. Whatever the issue they are facing, they can utilize that. And what all products we have in ServiceNow? So we have IT service management, customer service management, HRSD, like HR service delivery, and customer service management. We have governance, we have IT operation, we have business service management, and we have a lot of modules we have in ServiceNow. So everything comes as a suite in as a product in ServiceNow. Let's suppose ITSM is a suite completed that it will provide IT service management services. So let's suppose you want to raise a incident, problem, change, service request, or anything. Who can learn ServiceNow? So who have a good knowledge, or maybe like basic knowledge on the understanding of this JavaScript, they can learn ServiceNow. So yeah, because when we get into development, so you need to you need, when you're writing the code in ServiceNow platform, you should know the basics of the JavaScript. Yeah, introduction. Coming to the introduction,
So I have a question here, Madhav, if I can ask you.
uh, we just started. I think, I mean, we
Okay,
can
sure,
take the questions by end of the session. Yeah, keep a note of it,
sure,
please.
sure. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. So ServiceNow is a cloud-based workflow automation platform that enables enterprise organization to improve operational efficiency by streamlining and automating their routine tasks. So what I've told that, so it's a completely cloud-hosted application. Okay, so it automates the workflows. That means that, so you have an incident that you have raised it. So when you have an incident that you have raised it, you need to automate, you need to assign that incident to some team, so that the team would be working on the task accordingly. And also parallelly, you have just raised a request. So when you just raise a request, right, based on the issue or maybe the request, certain team will be working on that. So using the approvals, and also the assignees who are working on the issues or maybe the request, that will streamline the process in in the ServiceNow platform, because we don't have a dependency with other teams or other vendors. Just go and checking with them and asking the, like, what is an issue, where we are facing this issue, because everything is in integrated in ServiceNow. That we have CMDB, we have it where we can streamline the process when based on the issue where we are facing it. Suppose I have a computer issue, I have Mac issue, or maybe a router issue. So everything will be integrated in ServiceNow platform. And we have many applications like ITSM, ITOM, CSM, and HRSD. Like I told, like we have different products in ServiceNow. So we would be talking about more on ITSM, and ITOM it's IT operation management, and the CSM is customer service management, and HRSD is uh, service delivery. Okay. And so this is a platform as a service. So why it is a platform as a service? Okay. You can only use this application. You cannot modify the application or UI. Okay. That's a SaaS actually. But in ServiceNow, you can just use the platform. You can modify it based on the customer requirement. Okay. And so let's suppose we have a ITSM. So I customer wanted to modify the form, or maybe he wanted to build a new application, or let's suppose application it's a table in service now. If you wanted to create a new application from scratch, you can do that using a pass. Okay. And so coming to SaaS, this is also a software as a service platform that contain number of modules application. Like we have ITSM, we have ITOM, we have CSM, we have HRSD. Like we have a number of applications so that you can utilize, which was provided by ServiceNow as per the ITIL standards. And this ServiceNow was founded by Fred Lady in 2003, headquartered in California. So this is where the origin of the ServiceNow. Yeah. Let me come into this benefits of ServiceNow. What all benefits we have in ServiceNow? So as I told you, like it's hosted in cloud completely. That so we can directly use this ServiceNow platform just like Gmail or Google, any other platforms. And so ServiceNow has evolved based on the ITL standards, ITL guidelines, and easily customizable with JavaScript. So as I told, like who can learn ServiceNow, that who have good knowledge or basic to medium understanding of JavaScript can easily customize and use the platform when you start as a developer. Career, we can just start your career as a developer. And data confidentiality and integrity, yes, ServiceNow's platform is very secure. And the data integrity, we will maintain that. So we do not expose the data with other sources. Continuity of service. Yes, we have a continuity of service in ServiceNow. That so whenever we would be working on the platform, right? So we have upgrades and patches in every release, so that will provide the continuity of services. And customer self service. Yes, we have this just like as I told, like IT support team or IT agent. Wherever you go, wherever you just want to raise a case, we have different channels like email, phone, or maybe in person. You can just raise a case through Teams. You can raise a case. So these kind of features which provided by ServiceNow, you can utilize that. And language translation. Yes, we have a language translation that. So uh, just like us, we will speak English, and other countries like France or maybe Germany, they don't speak English. They use their regional language. For that, we have a language translation. Japan, Japanese, they'll speak about only speak Japanese. So we have a language translation. So whatever we will type on English, so that will the solution will translate and translate into their regional language, so they could understand whatever we are talking about. And in ServiceNow, we have powerful reporting tool. Yeah, it's a performance analytics. So we can just create a report and send reports, and you can just schedule the reports based on the customer ask. Okay, and we have free PDI to practice. You can create a free PDI. So just you need just a Gmail account to access the free PDI, and easy auto version upgrade. So we have two releases on every year. So it will come up with few features or few enhancement on the existing modules. In ITSM, there could be lot of features will be adding in every release. We have two releases, and also patches will be there. Cloning will be there in every month. So uh, team will be taking care of that internally. But coming to this versions, ServiceNow in the documentation or in the platform level, they'll just spread all of this information. You can just explore it when you working on the upgrades. People who are willing to work on the upgrade also, they can work on the upgrade activities. Yeah, this is the architecture of ServiceNow, that we have user interface, that you're just accessing the ServiceNow platform with the web browser, just like Gmail. And so we have a customer firewall in the back end, that so they will be securing data integrity. Okay, and ServiceNow firewall we have, so that they will so as per the internet IP SEC standards, so they will be protecting this ServiceNow firewalls. So with SSL certificates, and yeah, and we have ServiceNow data centers. We have different data centers, which we have two data centers in India, and the three and four other data centers in other countries. So wherever they require the data centers should be deployed, they will deploy the data centers. But we have it's a cloud-based platform. When there is no downtime, as we can see, there is zero downtime. As per my experience, I've been working with this platform for 12 years, so I could not see or I could not find any downtime. Yeah, sometimes based on the load, based on the using of access of the browser access, like sometimes the loading of the page will be slow. That won't be it could be milliseconds, not more than that. But the platform level, everything is fine. And we have load balancers and web servers, Apache, and J2W application server. So wherever the backend databases will be work, and web applications will work. Yeah. Who uses? ServiceNow. So employees to report issues and request IT services. So as I told you, right? So uh, as an employee, I have a in an organization also the internal team will use ServiceNow. Let's suppose being an employee, okay, to one of the big four companies, I'll face laptop issues frequently, or maybe people will face laptop issues, right? Let's suppose during sometimes we would have to upgrade our softwares and also the hardware like battery and all. So we would raise a case or we will report the issue to the IT team. We cannot go in person and tell them that this is the issue. We can just simply raise a IT case, or maybe through phone calling them. They can raise a IT support case to report issue. We can just call them and they can create a directly a support case for us based on the issue, and also you can raise a request. So based on that, so we just need a whatever the existing laptop which is not working. So if you want to replace the laptop, we can raise a IT service request. And IT support staff to manage service requests, incidents, and report. Like we have IT support staff in any organization, so they can use this service now to manage the request, incident, and problem. And administrator to manage admin activities. So the administrator can use this and implement this to deploy process applications and platform features that does an organization business needs. Yeah. Implementers who will just implement the platform from scratch. Yeah. So based on the customer requirement, based on the architecture designed by the architecture, and deploy and the developers who create new functionality with scripts and custom applications to extend standard configurations. So developers are those, like, we can just they can customize this form level, field level, and they can just populate the backend value into the form. So based on the customer requirement, they can create custom applications. Okay, they can create custom tables or custom fields based on the ask from the customer. With using scripts, Java scripts, as I told you, right? We have so developers have to know and have good understanding of JavaScript. Yeah. So why ServiceNow could be your next strategic career move, and how to begin? Whether you are established professional that uh, people who have a maybe I did not took introduction. Let me take the introduction after the class. So who have a who are having working in this IT profession, and who are starting their career. They have started their career beginner as a beginner. They can just take this ServiceNow as an opportunity. ServiceNow getting into ServiceNow platform and starting the career as a big opportunity for them. And people who have recently graduated and eager to make your mark, ServiceNow will offer you a unique way or maybe a unique path, so that you can just build your career and grow in this ServiceNow platform. So ServiceNow is just it's just like ocean. So you can like explore lot of things here, and we have lot of opportunities. Yeah. And why you have to choose ServiceNow? So basically, ServiceNow is a high demand platform in the market right now. So it's on high rise. So especially for developers who have a good market, and also the administrators that who have a good understanding of the platform level and process level, they already have this opportunity also. And also the consultants who wanted to independently support to the customers playing an individual role, they can also then they are also invited to learn the ServiceNow platform. Yeah. And so we have a lucrative and growing career opportunities in ServiceNow professional are some of the high paid packages in IT industry. And if you are beginner also, and if you are advanced in your career, like if you wanted to switch your career, people will work on different platforms. So if you have wanted to switch the career, they can just use the ServiceNow platform, because you can just not only just switching the platform, you will be choosing the right career or maybe right path. So this is where the ServiceNow landing in your career. And you have anyways you have numerous opportunities with high salaries based on the skill set and based on the subject, whatever you would be uh, training here, or whatever the source of uh, source of things you would be get trained, but you need to have good subject, then only you just secure a job and get high packages. So that you have to make sure of that. And you can work with world brands over around 80% of Fortune 500 companies, just like we have UI, KPMG, and other companies that you can able to work on it, because everyone, even including Microsoft, Google also, they are using ServiceNow platform. Yeah. And you have flexibility and remote work opportunities. So when you get into ServiceNow platform, you can work remotely wherever you wanted to work. So it will just provide better life balance, work-life balance to you. So that you can just opt for, and you can just choose your ServiceNow as a career opportunity. So these are the benefits or advantages when you choose ServiceNow platform. Hmm. How to get started in ServiceNow platform? to to get started with, so you just need to appear for ServiceNow certified system admin certification. So that will be available in the Now platform, that is ServiceNow learning portal. And you just need to gain some experience on the PDI, so hands-on experience on the PDI. So whatever I teaching you, so that you have to work on the PDI with the assignments or the homework which I'll be giving to you. And also I'll be providing some assignments that I have worked on the projects, so that's the best way to learn. Okay. And you can also join the community. Okay, just you can just if you wanted to explore the ServiceNow community by networking there. And you can engage ServiceNow forums and LinkedIn groups and professional networks to build a relationship and stay updated with the ServiceNow professionals. And also you can apply for entry role. So I could see a lot of people, or maybe companies are posting entry level jobs who have got trained well on ServiceNow platform. It could be they could be a ServiceNow administrator or maybe junior developer. So they have a lot of opportunities in the market. So you just have to make sure that so whatever you are choosing your platform, that should be your best career opportunity. I 100% say that. So ServiceNow is the best career opportunity, as I can see that there are a lot of opportunities are there in the market when you have the ServiceNow experience in your resume. So one thing you need to make sure that, so when you get trained here, so you just get a job right away. That's not the case. You need to have the subject. You need to wait for the right opportunity. Then only you will be landing in the right organization or right company. Okay. So these are the products that we have in ServiceNow, like service management, business management, operation management, knowledge management. So we have a IT operation that's completely occupies the CMDB part. And we have business management, so where you can just have a business service models. And customer service management we have, and HRSD we have. So a lot of products that provide by ServiceNow. So it's our wish that what product or what model we wanted to learn it. Yeah. Who can learn ServiceNow? As I told you in the beginning that, so there are no particular prerequisites to learn ServiceNow. So just we need that awareness of this programming knowledge. That would be little help during the course, that who have the basic to medium knowledge or moderate knowledge of JavaScript, so they can just learn ServiceNow. So coming to the ServiceNow releases, so ServiceNow will come up with new releases with new features every year, twice in a year. Okay. That new releases names follow alphabet order with city names as below. That we have alphabetical order from A to B, and I just to took so few of the names, that Paris, London, or Quebec, Rome, San Diego, Tokyo, Utah, Vancouver, Washington, DC, Xanadu. So these are the features or releases that we have. Will release twice in a year. So ServiceNow will release us that with the new features and functionalities. Okay. Every year ServiceNow releases two versions. So that could be happen between March or some around February March, and in the first half, and in the second half between September to October. So they will release this ServiceNow versions, or maybe the features. Yeah. We have a ServiceNow roles that, as I told you that, so you can start your career as a ServiceNow administrator, developer, implementation specialist, and architecture and QA. So who is the administrator? That who have very good understanding of the platform functionalities, that end-to-end, creating the users or maybe maintaining the roles and groups and assign the tasks. Task means like incidents or request to the uh, particular team or assignee based on the skill set he has. So that role plays of this administrator, and giving the right access and right roles to the users whoever join the organizations. So that could be very based on the that security things that administrator can be doing that, and developer that he can just customize this application using JavaScript, and also he can also be into the in can be a lead developer. So going on, and coming to the ServiceNow implementation specialist, so who can build the platform from the scratch, that based on the requirement from the customer. So he'll be working under architect. Okay. And coming to the ServiceNow architect, who will build the designing from scratch, that so let's suppose customer having issues or maybe based on the business use cases, so architect will build the architecture, that how he has to build this ServiceNow applications. And if he wanted to integrate it with third-party applications, or do the customization of the ServiceNow platform, this architecture will do the job. And also the ServiceNow QA, quality analyst, that how we are working, and based on the customer SOW. So whether we are working in a right path or not, what kind of modifications we are doing, what kind of customizations we are doing, so everything will be taken care by quality analyst. So these are the ServiceNow roles. Yeah. Coming to this IT service management, right? I have told you that we have a lot of products in ServiceNow. IT service management is one of them. In IT service management, we have also have a lot of models, that incident, problem, change, service request, and knowledge. So what incident management do in service IT service management? So let's suppose, make it simple. So we have a internet issue at our home. So we have raised a issue. So that will be considered as incident. So all of a sudden, so you are in using internet, but there is a service disruption to your services. So that we will call it as incident. Okay. So we will raise an incident, and a particular team, the vendor of the internet, so he can be working on this issue based on the priority, that if you wanted to resolve this issue within this 48 hours or maybe 24 hours, based on the priority P1 or P2, P3, P4. So based on that, he will be working on the issue. So we will treat that as an incident. And coming to the problem, so you have this issue, and also the same issue is happening with the other maybe others who are beside to your house, so they are having the same issue. So he will consider as that this is a problem. So this is a problem with the some junction or maybe the router. You need to change the router hub just near to your home. So he need to change the router. So that will be considered as a problem. So because everyone is facing the same issue, then it could be considered as a problem. Then coming to the change management. So you have the team has found the issue, that this is the issue. If he has to change the hub, or maybe he has to repair the hub, change management team will be taking care of that. And when you coming to the service request, so service request is that, so I told you that. So whenever we have issue with the laptop, or whenever we have a uh, maybe we wanted to replace the laptop, we wanted to order new laptop or MacBook within the organization, so we can just raise a case in the service request management. So that I'll show you when we are get into the sessions. And knowledge management is that in every organization, so they will be publishing the article, that whatever the evolutions or maybe invention they have done within the organization. So they will publish their articles in the knowledge management. So everybody can go and check these articles, and also the uh, frequently frequently facing the issues of the customer. They also publish this article. This is the steps to resolve this issue, because we when we join an organization, right? So during onboarding, we have the same steps to follow, that every employee has to follow that. So this kind of knowledge sharing also will be there in the knowledge management. So team will be publishing so that everybody can go and learn something from that. Yeah. This is all about from the ServiceNow platform demo. Okay. So I'll just take the introduction of everyone. Okay. So can Ananta, can you just give your introduction? Ananta Banla.
Hello, sir. My name is Ananta. I completed
Uh,
my BTech in 2019 on June.
mhm,
And after June, I taken the Salesforce coaching, but eventually I didn't get the job, and I went to the UK on 2020, and I was
mhm,
stayed there on 2024 up to, and I came back on 2024, and I was taken to the Azure Devops course. Unfortunately, I don't like the course because it has like high command, but it it stresses my ability. So
mhm,
one of my friend recommendation, he tell me to the join in Servicenow course, and my
mhm,
friend's recommendation I was in here, and I was like I have like experience on in UK like store manager, and I used to communicate the people to like a service thing, sales and service thing, but I don't have
mhm.
experience and like those stuff. That's my
Oh,
introduction.
okay, okay. Thank you, Ananta. Great.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome to Service Now. Yeah. So yes, Lahari, please go ahead.
Yeah, Madhav, thanks for that. So, from my side, I have done my graduation in electronics and communications in 2018, and
Mhm,
I working for an MNC for as a process mining expert
mhm,
for Salonis and SAP Signaview tools. It's been 4 years with that MNC, but I just wanted my life to be like having work balance as well as personal life, and to manage everything, family and finances, everything, to make sure everything is healthy and stable. That's why I'm just
mhm,
looking for a career option where I can get all these. So I just in a search, like I have seen I mean, in general nowadays, it's been cloud applications as well as the AWS, DevOps, and this AI related tools and many more, quantum computing, all this. So in a search, I just found ServiceNow will be the better option for my thought process. So I'm just trying to use this opportunity. Not sure whether where
yeah.
it will lead to, but yeah, hoping so.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah. Yes, you took the right opportunity, and you just you landed in a right path. Yeah, all the best. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. And yeah, Lakshmi. Lakshmi, able to hear me? Hello, Lakshmi, able to hear me? Okay, that's okay. Yeah, and yeah, Maheshwari, please go ahead. Hello, Maheshwari, able to hear me? Hello, Maheshwari, are you speaking? Okay, that's okay. And yeah, Vishnu, please, you can continue.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Madhav.
Uh,
Myself, Vishnu Prasad. It's been
mhm,
5 years I'm working in Amazon. I was graduated in electronics and communication, 2016 passed out. So in
mhm,
Amazon, I was working in TRMS, risk management. So as it's a non-IT sector, so I just wanted to move to the IT sector, and my intention is only to grab a good package. So that's the reason I thought of taking service now, so that it
mhm.
gives a good opportunities and a good pay. That's the reason I thought I could learn it.
Okay, okay. Got it. Got it. That's okay. Thank you. And Mahesh, that's okay. You're facing audio issues. Okay, that's okay. And just let me share my screen. So just wanted to share a few of the details. Yeah, just let me know once you're able to see my screen.
Yes, able to see.
Yeah, yeah. So just wanted to share our training plan. So I would be covering this ITSM model, and that will include admin, admin plus development. And so I would give you the better understanding of the JavaScript basics that will included. So which will required as per the ServiceNow standards. And we have 1 hour, so that could covering from 40 minutes to 1 hour, like 50 minutes and 55 minutes each and every day. But it will more timing would be like 45 to 55 minutes, okay, each and every day. So we have around 40 hours of class, okay, 40 hours of class. Like, I would cover this ITSM training in 40 hours of classes, okay. And I would share the daily notes and also the recordings. So admin team will be providing these details to you each and every day. And we will help you on this resume preparation and mock interviews. Yeah. And post the training also, we'll be in touch with you to WhatsApp. You can just contact me. And also we can have a meetups on every weekend. If somebody wanted to meet me in person, if you have any questions or if you're not able to understand the platform level things, that whatever I'm teaching you, if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me. So just I will plan it based on the your availability. That if you wanted to meet me, you can just reach out to admin team, so they can just contact me. Okay. uh Hope this is good, I think, right?
Yeah, Madha.
Okay.
So,
So any, yes, yeah, please.
no, actually, I just wanted to know, you will be teaching us like ITSM module. What are the rest all we discussed, like ITOM and CA, all other things will be different now? That
Yeah,
will not be
they are,
covered in our classes, or
yeah, they are the completely different model, complete suit. So for single ITSM, just it will take 40 hours of classes to understand
okay,
that what is there in service now, like basic admin level, basic to high level, and also the development part.
okay, okay,
Mm. Item, it's completely different. So if you wanted to start your career, ITSM is the best. So then you will understand the platform level learning. So then you can move to ITOM and other modules. So without
okay.
basics, so it's difficult to get into ServiceNow
Other
career.
models, like, okay.
Yeah. Mm.
And as I mean, like we are not having relevant experience, right? As I mentioned, like I am just having data engineer, process mining tool
Mm.
experience. So how it this will help us, like domains which in our company isn't possible actually. So
Mhm.
while coming out of uh, the domain, this will really help us in getting job, or will it be trouble in
No,
getting the
this will
job?
really help you to getting a job. But if you have any particular questions or other related things, like like when you just get into I'm not sure that if your company is using ServiceNow. So if it is using this, you can switch your platform. Otherwise, we can just look opportunity in the in the market. So we have a lot of
Okay.
opportunities. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm,
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you.
yeah. And if you need specifically guidance, you can just reach out to me so that I can help you on that.
Sure, sure, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
also one more question. Can we know just like how AI will impact this service now going forward? Like that could be over
Uh,
plus 5 years or plus 10 years, could be around.
no, it's an overrated question just right away. So because AI won't replace these jobs, we will use
Okay.
AI to do our jobs in a better manner.
Yeah, yeah,
Mm,
yeah. Okay. Sure.
yeah.
Got it.
Mm.
Yeah, even now also for the working for Celonis and Signaview, we are doing that. That is really helping. I mean, saving our time. Yeah.
Yeah, it's saving our time because unnecessary, like, so whatever the content which is already there in the Google, so AI which is
Hmm.
giving to us in a proper shape, but it's not that
Yes.
up to the mark that it is giving the right information. But yes, a bit it
Yes.
is good.
Yeah, it is reducing our research time. I mean, basic ground
Mm,
level work. Yes.
mm, mm. Yeah. Lakshmi and Maheshwari, any questions?
No, sir, I
Mm,
didn't have any questions.
okay, okay. So yeah, okay, guys. If it doesn't have any questions, we can just wrap
Uh,
up the yeah.
One
Yeah,
second, sir.
Ananta. Yeah, Ananta. Yeah.
Actually, I have like a career gap like 6 years. I didn't have any PFs or like that. I mean, I didn't work any work in India, and lot
Mm,
of the companies in Naukri they're expecting to have the experience, right? How can I
mm.
get a good job in this
S-
situation?
that we can talk offline, Ananta.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you. No, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Thank you for this.
Oh, any questions, Vishnu?
Mm. Sir, how are the calls for service now? Like
Uh,
recruitment vacancies? Yeah, just wanted to know.
as see, calls, a lot of calls are there. So you can see now with that ServiceNow developer, you can see a lot of opportunities. So there where you can rate yourself that. So how fast you can just learn this a bit and get into the ServiceNow market.
Okay, and for this, do we need any coding or
Yes, you require JavaScript basics and medium level understanding.
and also does it require Linux?
No, no, it doesn't require Linux knowledge. It required only JavaScript.
Okay, because I too don't have any knowledge about Java, so that can we learn about that in the class?
Yeah, I'll give you all of the content and course related content to you, so you can just explore that.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. So any questions, guys?
No, sir, we are good. Thanks for your time from my
Yeah,
end.
thank you. Sure, sure. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks for joining. Yeah, have a great day, and yeah, welcome to ServiceNow platform. Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
thank you. Bye bye.